Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add or remove a card on Temu. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device. Now, go to your profile. Scroll down and select Settings. Here, you need to go to your payment methods. Here, you need to add your card info. This app doesn't allow the screen recording while adding personal information due to security purposes. That's why my screen went black. Set the expiration date of your card to proceed further. Once your card is added, you can use it on Temu. After that, if you want to remove the card, go to the payment method. Here, you'll find that option. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.